how to create a second Instagram account on iOS 16. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can actually create a second Instagram account and update it for iOS 16, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to create a second Instagram account, just open up Instagram. By default you only have one account logged in. Just come to your profile page, and if you want to add another account and then actually log into that account, all you have to do is just tap on this little drop down menu from the top. You'll see another account that I've added, right? But if you want to actually also create a secondary account rather than just switching to this one, just tap on that and then you'll find the option called add account. Just tap on the add account button. If you have an existing account, you can tap on login to existing account, or you can select create new account over here. Once you select create new account, make sure to actually enter the username of that specific account you want to create. Then once you actually enter the username of the account you want to create over here, all you need to do is just tap on the next option. Then create a password, then tap on next, and your second Instagram account will be successfully created just like that. That is it on how you can actually create a second Instagram account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.